Hello everyone, and happy Halloween. This spooky season I've decided to buy a candelabra, and this is the one that I found. It's from Amazon and it's $14.99. It has arrived, and I kind of was expecting it to come as a complete candelabra. But what I've got is a box of bits. So I do have some instructions to put it together. It looks extremely simple. There have been some reviews on this candelabra saying that it wasn't easy to put together. So I thought I'd just do a little video while I'm putting it together, just to see how easy it is and how it turns out. So first off, it's arrived. The box is a decent weight. So we've got a base, a middle bit, a big long rod to go in the middle, and this is the main part of the candelabra. It's actually quite a decent weight, not what I expected. Not flimsy and plasticky. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works out. Well, there's no rattles, it's not loose, so it feels pretty good quality. Yep, I'm pleased with that. Didn't take long to put together at all. Great Halloween accessory.